Welcome to CertExam's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about data link layer of the OSI model. The OSI model was designed to facilitate open specification for connecting to systems conforming to OSI model. These systems are designed to be open for communication with almost any other system. OSI model breaks down each functional layer so that overall design complexity could be lessened. OSI model primarily consists of 7 layers for the flow of information. The data link layer corresponds to layer 2 of OSI reference model. This layer is further divided into 2 sublayers. 1. Logical link control, LC, sublayer, and 2. Media access control, MAC, sublayer. The LLC sublayer handles error control, flow control, framing, and MAC sublayer addressing. The MAC sublayer is the lower of the 2 sublayers of the data link layer. MAC sublayer handles access to shared media such as token passing or Ethernet. Thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on our YouTube channel.